Next, in CSS, you will see pseudocode elements, which are used to style specific part of element and are used to style first letter or first line of block level element, or is used to insert element before or after a specified element. So first of all, we are going to do first letter pseudocode. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section I'm giving a general heading H1, and this is first letter pseudocode, and here I'm giving a paragraph tag, one more paragraph tag I'm giving. Right now our page is looking like this in our browser. So first letter pseudocode, what it is going to do? It is going to bring changes in this first letter. We can see lorem written here, and it is going to change this first letter. So let's work with it. Here within head section, I'm giving style tag, and within style tag, now it works on only on block level elements. So paragraph, heading, div, all these are block level elements. So right now I'm using paragraph tag, then first letter, curly bracket start. Now here we can give different properties, like we can use properties of font, color, background, etc, etc. So first of all, I want to increase its font size. So font size here I'm taking is, I'm giving it as 79 pixel. So it is going to increase the size of that L. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that both paragraphs, this L letter has increased in size. Now we want to change the color of this text. So color here I'm giving is crimson. Save it. Both are red in color. Now we can use different properties like the font family. You can use any, I have used this one. Save it and go live. Next is background color, we can change. Background color, here I'm giving background color aqua. Next I want to give font weight. We don't need it here because our letter is already thick, but save it and go live. You can see that it has got background and font weight has also increased. Then we can give other properties like text decoration. We can give border also to it. We are giving border right now. Border, I'm giving 1 pixel. Border is not going to work with it. Let's see. Yeah, it is working. Now we have given border, so we can give border radius also. Border radius, yeah, I'm giving it as 50%. That means it is almost round in shape. Then we can give padding also. I'm giving padding to 5 pixel. It is going to increase the size of that circle. It has increased its size. Now next is first line pseudocode, which can also work on block level element, and it works on whole first line of a paragraph. So here this is our first letter pseudocode. Now it is first line pseudocode, which will be using on div. So div, and its syntax will go like this: first line. And for that, here what we will be doing, so here we have used div, so we have to put div here, and within this div I'm giving paragraph tag only, Lauren. Save it, and first we will go live. So we can see that paragraph, whatever we have done for first letter is applied on this paragraph also, which was in div. Now on this div paragraph, we are going to apply first line pseudocode, which is going to make change in whole line. So here I'm giving font size to 50 pixel. I'm using big numbers just to make easy for us to see the changes. So font size is 50 pixel, and here I'm giving color to blue. Save it and go live. We can see that font size is also changed, and the color of this text is blue. Similarly, we can give font family. Here I'm using this one. Then is font weight. You can use this 800. Then background color. Here I'm using this one. Then letter spacing. Here I'm using letter spacing 12 pixel. Then next we can use this line height also, and I'm giving it to 15 pixel, like that. Save it, and now we can see its effect in our browser. So this is all it has done. So first pseudocode was our first letter pseudocode, which is going to make change in first letter of our paragraph, and the second is first line pseudocode, which is going to make change in first line of that paragraph, not only first letter but whole line of that paragraph, first line of that paragraph.